what we're going to do today is install this 150 watt eco-worthy solar panel. And why, Liz?
Because we've already got a 150 watt solar panel.
Yes, we've already got one on and we'll have 2 batteries. So what we want to do is
double our charging efficiency.
Yes, so, but before we do that, we've got a horrendous task ahead of us, which is scrubbing the roof.
So let's crack on and do that.
Let's crack on and do that.
Hey guys, we're Stevie, Liz and Lucky and welcome to our channel. You'll find us either out on the open road seeking adventure and freedom in our beloved van conversion diggers, or working hard on improving and upgrading her. Either way, come join us on the adventure because we'd love to have you.
Anyway, I'm up the ladder now, or nearly at the top of the ladder, and I started scrubbing before I started filming, but I'm going to give you a look at what the roof looks like. Just about done the cleaning now.
So Stevie, what's this for?
This is spray stuff. Do not sniff. It's a really good cleaner.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like an alcohol-based spray cleaner that I use for cleaning the surface after we've already cleaned it. The cleaning things.
Cool. Okay. So then, Stevie, what's this?
So this is what we'll be bonding the solar panel to the roof with after cleaning it with Do Not Sniff. So this is by the same company, and it's called Super Sticky Stuff. It grabs anything instantly, basically does what it says on the tin. So, with the help of a supervising adult,
Hi.
you can then cut end off that. I was just giving it a quick wipe with cleaning stuff. That's Do Not Sniff. And we're doing it in a nice confined space, which is the back of the van on a red hot day, which is fantastic. So one final lining up, and on it went, straight into place, no messing. So now it's just a case of routing the cables where they need to be, sticking the mounts down and cable tying them to the roof.
Hi.
So where we're at now, what you didn't see, there's an isolator down there for the electric, so I isolated the system already and I started taking the cables out. The rest you've probably seen with the cables going in. I think we recorded that, yeah. Now that we're doing the cables, we're just going to finish them off. We're going to put the cable ties on. I've got some so we'd cleared up and we'd been back in the house for about 2 hours. We came back, it was about 7 o'clock in the evening by this time. So what we're doing here is basically we're just giving it a nice little coat of ceramic polish. This will give it a nice protective layer. So if you like what you watched, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Thanks a lot, thanks for watching.